In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay your Overstock credit card. If you want the fastest and easiest way to make your payment, paying online is usually the best option. The process is simple, and once you've done it once, future payments are often even quicker. To get started, go to the Overstock website and then open the Overstock Credit Card account portal. This is the account center where you can manage your card, view your balance, and submit payments securely online. Make sure you're using the official account portal so your payment information stays protected. Once you're on the portal, sign in to your account. You'll need your username and password to access your credit card details. If you're on a personal device, this can be a convenient way to manage your account, but if you're using a shared or public computer, avoid saving your login information for security reasons. After you're signed in, look for the payment section or a button that says Make a Payment. This is the area where you can submit a one-time payment toward your credit card balance. Depending on the layout of the page, the wording may vary slightly, but it should be clearly labeled. Next, if your bank account information has not already been saved, enter it when prompted. This usually includes the details needed to connect your checking or savings account so the payment can be withdrawn correctly. Be sure to type everything carefully since incorrect banking information can delay your payment or cause it to fail. After that, choose the payment amount. You may have options such as paying the minimum amount, due, the full statement balance, or entering a custom amount. If you want to avoid interest charges, paying the full statement balance is often the most helpful choice, but select the amount that works best for your situation. Before finishing, take a moment to review all of the details on the screen. Check the payment amount, the bank account being used, and the date the payment will be processed. This step is important because it helps you avoid mistakes before the payment is submitted. Once everything looks correct, submit the payment. After you do that, you should see a confirmation message or confirmation page. It's a good idea to save that confirmation for your records, either by taking a screenshot or writing down the confirmation details. And that's it. That's how to pay your Overstock credit card online quickly and securely.